sometimes when you're writing code, you just want to be able to test it and play around and not have to run your code through your whole application framework. And a lot of languages let you do this by using something called a REPL, a read eval print loop, which essentially runs your code as you're typing it and shows you the values in line. And the Tempest extension for VS Code has one of these built in. You can enable it with the enable PHP REPL in current file command, and once you've done that, as you start to type code, you'll notice you get the output of it at the right-hand side, right next to the variable definition. And just to show you that's not a fluke, we can also do that for any kind of PHP function. And it's actually running your code in the background, making a note of what the variables are at each point in time, and it's putting them there so you can see it in line, which is really, really helpful. Now, if you go into the settings, you'll notice there's a setting to automatically enable for Scratch files, which means you can create a new file, a Scratch file being something that you haven't saved, and if you start to type your code, it will just automatically run for you and show you the output there, which is super, super helpful. There's a couple of other settings as well. You can choose the PHP binary you want to use, and you can set the debounce time so it doesn't rerun your script too often.